Hello everyone, this is Begonia with Simply Health. Today I'm going to show you a really easy recipe to making a crock pot. I have my slow cooker right here and I'm going to make a super simple tikka masala with chicken with a little twist of Spanish in it. So for now I'm just going to show you what ingredients I'm going to add to my tikka masala that's a little different that you may have eaten before. Just trust me, it's going to taste really good at the end. So let's get to it. Here are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. 1.5 pounds of chicken. I have removed the skin and as much as the fat as possible because we want to get rid of the saturated fat since it's not a healthy fat. Of course, I have the tikka masala, black eyed peas, some black beans, a little bit of ginger, quite a bit of garlic, about a cup of onions, purple potatoes or yellow potatoes. It's a mixture. And then I have a secret ingredient. It gives it a really good taste and it adds a lot of nutrients to it. And that is raisins. Put as many as you want. And so all we do now is add everything into the crock pot. All right, so now we're gonna put the ingredients in. This crock pot is a little hot because I preheated it for about 30 minutes so that I can cook the chicken a little faster. So now I'm putting the sauce in. All right, and then add the chicken. All right. Hey guys, so here we are. I have been cooking this on low for about 8 hours. I'm going to put this in a bed of brown rice. I actually use this organic brown short grain rice and it's really good. It takes about 40 minutes or so to prepare. It's a lot more nutritious than white rice. And right now I have to do the testing, because I'm the chef. So, it smells good. I'm gonna give it a try and then I'm gonna show you in here. But the good news, it's delicious. The bad news, it's not gonna last. It's not gonna last. It's so good. So let me show you what it looks like. And this is it. That's what it looks like. And I'm gonna now grab a little wooden spoon and I have right here my bed of brown rice. I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna be taking more than a couple of servings. Oh goodness gracious. Oh, if I could share this with you right now, I would. It's so good. And this is our meal. And you guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Let me know if you do, if you try it. Subscribe to my channel. I'll put in more recipes, more health tips, more debunking, and always from a place of trust. So I hope you can join me next time. Until then, cheers to your health.